Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the OpenAI's new update, Sora 2. So the OpenAI Sora 2 update is truly amazing and it deserves a full breakdown. So here I'm going to show you how you can use Sora 2. Here I've already opened the page, and in here you see on the left, this is the prompt box where you can write the prompt or write your idea, the idea that you want to turn into a video. After that, you can set the options. Here you can adjust the duration, the quality, and you can also modify the orientation whether you want the output to be landscape or portrait. And then if you're done with the prompt and everything, you can just hit on generate video and the result will be shown in here on the right side. So this is the video that I created before. Cinematic shot of samurai walking through falling cherry blossoms. You can click on this drop down to download the result when you are done. So if you're new to Sora here, you'll be given 10 free credit, but after you running out, you need to subscribe in here to unlock the credits and keep creating using Sora. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.